Okay, so hello everyone, welcome to the training series of Wireshark. In the first video, we'll introduce Wireshark, explain what it does, how it works, and walk through how to install it and explore its interface. First, let's get done with the installing. So here you can just simply search Wireshark in your browser and go to this download link. Here you will see many installers. According to your operating system, you can choose the installer. I am on the Windows, so I have chosen this Windows 64 installer. I have already downloaded it here. So we can just simply double click on it. And yes, we want to make changes to our system. Next, noted, next. And yes, we want to buy Shark desktop icon. Next. npcap, yes, also Windows will prompt you for installation of npcap, which is required as it is the packet capture library for Wireshark to work. Make sure we check this box to install it. And if you're on macOS, Wireshark uses Apple's built-in packet capture frameworks, and on Linux you can install it from your package manager with like apt install command. So now what is Wireshark? So Wireshark is an open source network protocol analyzer. That means it captures network traffic, the packets flowing across your computer's network card, and then lets you inspect them in detail. Think of it as a Microsoft for your network, whether you are a network manager or a security analyst or a student who is learning about how protocols work. Wireshark is one of the most powerful tools you can use. So now, how does it work behind the scenes? Normally, your network card only receives packets addressed to a system, but Wireshark can put a network interface into something called promiscuous mode. In this mode, your interface is able to capture all the packets that pass through it, not just the ones intended for your device. Wireshark then dissects those packets into layers: Ethernet at link layer, IP at the network layer, TCP or UDP at transport layer, and application layer protocols like HTTP or DNS. This layered breakdown makes it much easier to understand what's happening inside your network traffic. So here, now that our installation is complete, we'll finish this and we'll just simply try and see how does the network Wireshark interface look like. Wireshark is a very simple GUI, which is a very easy to use thing. If even if you are using it for the first time, it is not very difficult to understand how Wireshark works, and how it can help you working in the network field. So here now that this is okay, we'll have to wait for a few seconds for this to finish, and then we can just launch the Wireshark. Okay, the installation is done. Here we are finished. And we will just launch the Wireshark right here. So this is the normal window. This is your menu bar. This is the toolbar. And this is a list of interfaces. So these are basically interfaces, network interfaces that is there in your system, which can contain your Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or loopback, all that is. We just have to select the interface that we are using right now. As I'm on my hotspot, I will be selecting this Wi-Fi, and then we can just go on, double click on this, and it will start capturing the network packets. So these are the network packets that's flowing across my network. That's it capturing it. Here it is presented in rows and columns where it's time, the source, the destination, which protocol is it using, what's the length, and what is the information about it. That's all given here. So if I click on any packet, I would be able to see that how like all its details about frames, its destination, its source, which internet protocol. So they are using IPv4, its source, its destination, and everything. So now this is the main window, which is divided into three parts. This is the packets pane. This is packets byte pane, right? And then this is the packet details pane. So now what we are going to do is this helps you in analyzing, like you can see what is the source, what is the destination, and sometimes if the data is being transmitted into plain text, you can see that also. So basically, this is a very powerful network analyzer that captures and dissects traffic in real time. And in this series, we'll use it step by step to capture, analyze, and filter packets In the next video, we'll actually start capturing the live traffic on our network.